professionals value the reliability, user-friendliness, and quietness that come from Medela suction pumps. Continuing our success in developing cutting-edge solutions, we proudly present our next generation of suction pumps, Basic and Dominant Flex. Choose your pump. Choose the Basic Suction Pump, a simple suction pump offering high vacuum and 30 liters per minute flow. Choose the Dominant Flex Suction Pump. The power of choice is at your fingertips. The pump offers high vacuum and the choice is 40 liters per minute for whisper-quiet operation, 50 liters per minute for most applications, 60 liters per minute for turbo performance. Both pumps have optimized hygienic design for simplicity when cleaning. Swiss quality and reliability integrated in a functional and modern design, offering you the power of choice at your fingertips. Hygienic, reliable, and user-friendly, all at a whisper. Basic and Dominant Flex, the solution for all surgical suction needs. The pumps are powered by a modern piston cylinder system that runs at a low noise level. The main operating elements of the pumps are located in the front of the device. The on-off button is conveniently located at the bottom right corner of the pump. LEDs indicate the status of the pump. When the green light is visible through the housing, this means the pump is attached to mains power. When the pump is running, a white light is visible. Should an error be present, a yellow light will appear. The membrane vacuum regulator, unique to Medela, can be used to set the vacuum precisely and rapidly. The vacuum is displayed in the vacuum gauge. The safety set, consisting of the jar, float and lid, is attached to the front of the pump. It prevents an overflow into the pump. On the back of the pump, you will find the elements that need a one-time connection. Fuses can be changed easily by pulling out the drawer and replacing them. The mains plug is plugged into the appliance inlet. There is an on-off switch on the legs of the trolley that can be controlled by your foot. However, sometimes the pump can be far from the operational field. Using the external foot on-off connected to the port on the back of the pump can be operated without needing to touch the main housing. By adding a trolley, it is transformed into a mobile version. The four casters of the trolley are all fitted with brakes. The cable holder supplied with the trolley is ideal for wrapping the mains cable up when the pump is not in use or needs to be transported. The trolley has a standard rail for attaching up to 4 jars. Pumps are also available in a portable version. The carrying handle of this version can be used to attach up to 2 jars. You have the choice of fully compatible fluid collection systems and accessories. First, we will show you the initial setup of the pump. Attaching the safety set. Place the lid into the jar securely, as demonstrated, and carefully connect to the front of the pump. Once in place, add the disposable bacteria filter in the top of the safety jar. This acts as an additional hygienic protection of the pump and the environment. Setup technique for the disposable fluid collection system. The disposable fluid collection system comes with 1.5 litre and 2.5 litre accessories. For this demo, we have selected the 2.5 litre option, which is clearly distinguishable by the orange branding. Press the blue button down on the clamp to release the jaws and connect to the rail. Connect the jar to the clamp. Insert the tubing into the neck of the jar. Take hold of the liner and press down, ensuring it's tight against the rim of the jar. Remove the angle piece and place it in the patient port. Now attach the patient tubing to the angle piece. Turn on the pump and set the level to the maximum value. Kink the patient tubing and compare the maximum value. If this corresponds to the value in the instructions for use, the pump is ready to use. When the liner is full, remove the patient tubing. Plug the patient port. Turn off the pump. Reduce the vacuum to 0. Remove the liner from the jar and dispose of according to local guidelines. Clean the pump and the necessary accessories, and if necessary, prepare for the next operation. Setup technique for the reusable fluid collection system. The reusable collection system is available with 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter and 5 liter jars. For this demonstration, we will be using the 3 liter jar. Press the blue button down on the clamp to release the jaws and connect to the rail. Connect the jar to the clamp holder. Attach the lid to the jar. Attach the silicone tubing from the pump to the vacuum port on the lid. Attach the required patient tubing to the patient port. Turn on the pump and set the level to the maximum value. Kink the patient tubing and compare the maximum value. If this corresponds to the value in the instruction for use, the pump is ready to use. When the jar is full, remove the tubings from the lid. Turn off the pump. Reduce the vacuum to 0. Remove the jar from the clamp holder. Dispose of secretions according to local guidelines. Clean the jar, lid and silicone tubing according to your in-house regulations. Finally, clean the housing of the pump and, if necessary, prepare it for the next operation. If you have any further questions about Medela products, please do not hesitate to contact us for more information.